Okay, we have a Kitamura Vertical Machining Center, model MyCenter 1XIF, serial number 03402. This machine was new in 2006 and we're going to run it for you. It has a FANUC 16 IMB control. You have a pallet system with 2-station, 180-degree rotary style automatic pallet changer. Right now we're running, that's a 30 taper BT spindle that goes up to 15,000 RPM.
4,000.
That's 4,000, nice and quiet. 6,000. Your table size are 14 by 22, and again there are 2 of them, 2 pallets.
10,000.
10,000 RPM. Your travels are 20.1 in X, 14 in Y, and 18.1 in Z. We just simulated a tool change. Your tool changer is a 30 ATC or 30 tool. There you go, that's another one. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. All axes are nice. We're going to pallet change. Round and round. Okay. Machine also has a chip conveyor. Hey, thank you for watching our video.